Howdy, today we're unboxing something different. When most solar panels look the same, real innovation has to happen beneath the glass. Today we're taking a deeper dive into the Tesla 420 watt solar panel and why this module is engineered fundamentally different from conventional residential solar panels. Let's start with the mechanical design. The Tesla panel uses a thicker architectural aluminum frame, 40 millimeters deep, compared to the standard 30 millimeter frames used by most traditional panels. That added depth isn't cosmetic. It increases rigidity, improves wind load performance, and allows Tesla to fully integrate the mounting system directly into the panel. There's no exposed rails, visible clamps, and no bolt-on skirts. The panel mounts closer to the roof plane, which reduces uplift, visual clutter, and long-term hardware fatigue. Electrical architecture and power zones. This is where Tesla separates itself electrically. Most residential panels are divided into 6 power zones, governed by bypass diodes. Some premium panels improve this by subdividing even more. Tesla takes this much further. The 420 watt module is built with 18 independent power zones, created by increasing the number of substrings across the panel. And in practical terms, this means that partial shading from roof obstructions like vents, chimneys, only impact a small portion of the panel instead of dragging down the output of the entire section. This kind of segmentation reduces mismatch losses, improves partial shade efficiency, and allows the panel to behave more like a distributed system, even without relying solely on module-level power electronics, cell layout, and current control. This panel uses a 360 cell layout arranged in a 6x60 configuration, which lowers current per substring and reduces resistive losses. Lower current means less heat buildup, improved long-term reliability, better performance consistency across temperature swings, and because those substrings are smaller, the voltage drop caused by shading is isolated faster and more efficiently than in conventional layouts. Thermal and environmental resilience. Tesla pairs this electrical segmentation with thermally pre-stressed 3.2 millimeter glass and a fully sealed junction box. The panel is rated for extreme temperature ranges from -40 up to 85 degrees Celsius and tested for hail impact at 35 millimeters, traveling over 27 meters a second. This isn't just about surviving storms. It's about maintaining electrical stability in harsh environments. One of Tesla's biggest advantages isn't the panel alone, it's how the panel fits into a vertically integrated ecosystem. This module is designed specifically to pair with Tesla inverters, wall connectors, and Powerwall 3 systems. Voltage ranges, string behavior, and shade response are all optimized at the system level, not just at the module level. Traditional panels focus on maximizing wattage per module. Tesla focuses on maximizing usable energy over time. More power zones mean better real-world production, higher yield on complex roofs, reduced performance degradation from partial shade, and generating more power with fewer panels. And the integrated mounting system reduces failure points, fewer penetrations, fewer clamps, fewer parts that can loosen or corrode over decades. The 420 watt Tesla solar panel isn't trying to win on raw wattage alone, which is a bad habit the solar industry's gotten into. It's designed for engineers, architects, homeowners who care about system intelligence, durability, and long-term performance. This isn't a commodity solar panel. It's a product designed the same way Tesla designs everything, from vehicles to batteries, as a tightly integrated energy platform. In solar, innovation isn't always louder. Sometimes it's smarter. And that's exactly what Tesla built here. In summary, the Tesla 420 watt solar panel has 18 independent power zones, has a 420 watt power rating, 20.5% cell efficiency, a 25-year warranty on the product and performance, as well as an estimated 93% of nominal power left at year 10 and 87% left at year 25. If you're in the Texas market and you've been contemplating going solar for your home or business, as well as energy storage, please feel free to click the link below, and one of our energy consultants will be more than happy to walk you through our 5-star process. Until next time, peace out, adios, and salam alaikum.